Last one. Stelly belly. Let's do it. Rip off the Band-Aid. It's alright. Maybe that's not the best way to do it. No, it's alright. Don't hurt yourself. Yeah, when the temperature changes. Damn, she got me that time. Alright, let's do this. You're alright, mate.
Oh.
You're alright, mate. Already halfway done already. No. How much for that shirt? A little on the head. And I think we're done already. She just flung her tail and soap and water went flying everywhere. Come on, let's pose for the camera. Yeah, it's okay. You're all nice and clean. A little bit more off your belly. I think she's done the best of all four, except for the beginning. Ow, ow. Should probably keep my mouth shut. Alright, she's ready for a towel.